Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove multiple desktop in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you can see here multiple desktop icon. You have to click on it. So now you can see I have opened a few desktops. So I want to delete all of them. For this, I have to go to the desktop and click on crossbar. So this is how you can remove your multiple desktop in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.